Before the opening bell, U.S. indices they closed down on Friday, pressured by shares in banks, media, and consumer durables and apparel sectors. Now, on the economic docket, personal income that fell 4.2% in May. Personal spending jumped 8.2%, marking a record high. And the University of Michigan's Consumer Sentiment Index that fell to 78.1 in the June final reading. This all as 88% of S&P 500 constituents traded lower or unchanged on Friday. Now, after the markets closed, Apple's App Store rules that require app makers to use its payment system are now being scrutinized by the U.S. Justice Department. This reported by Bloomberg. Meanwhile, Beyond Meat, that's a producer of plant-based meat substitutes, that company downgraded to underweight from overweight over at Barclays. Moving on, we have Coty, the global beauty company, agreeing to acquire a 20% stake in Kim Kardashian West brand KKW for $200 million, according to a report from the Financial Times. Now, taking a look at today's markets, there's no major earnings expected, so instead, we go straight to the economic docket. 10 o'clock in the morning, we have the release of May pending home sales figures. Now, taking a look at the markets, the S&P 500, where we begin, key resistance 3027, and that's in focus. As long as 3027 is the resistance, expect a return to 2984. Short positions below 3027 are favored with targets at 2984 and 2953 in extension. The Nasdaq, meanwhile, that sees its key resistance at 9910, while the Dow Jones intraday sees its key resistance 25,110.